What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Get the Math. Today we're finding the equation of a line when you're given 2 points. Let's get into it. Here's the game plan. Step 1, use the slope formula to find m. Step 2, plug into point-slope form to write the equation. That's it. Let's see it in action. Problem 1, points 1, 3, and 4, 9. First thing, label them. x1 equals 1, y1 equals 3, x2 equals 4, y2 equals 9. Now, the slope formula. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M equals 9 minus 3 over 4 minus 1. M equals 6 over 3m equals 2. Now point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 y minus 3 equals 2 times x minus 1 y minus 3 equals 2x minus 2y equals 2x plus 1. That's our answer. We're given the points minus 2, 4, and 1 minus 5. Label them. x1 equals minus 2, y1 equals 4, x2 equals 1, y2 equals minus 5. Notice x1 is negative. When we plug into point-slope form, that's going to create a double negative. Slope formula. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M equals minus 5 minus 4 over 1 minus minus 2. M equals minus 9 over 1 plus 2. M equals minus 9 over 3 equals minus 3. Now point slope form. Watch the double negative carefully. Y minus y1 equals m x minus x1 a minus 4 equals minus 3. X minus minus 2 minus 4 equals minus 3. Open parenthesis x plus 2. Close parenthesis, double negative, becomes plus y minus 4 equals minus 3. X minus 6y equals minus 3. X minus 2. That double negative in the parentheses, x minus negative 2, becomes x plus 2. That's the step where most mistakes happen. Slow down right there. Recap. Let's recap the two-step process. Step 1. Use the slope formula to find m. Step 2. Plug m and your first point into point-slope form. Pro tip. Always use the first point as x1, y1, or pick the point with smaller numbers, or all positive values if you have a choice. It keeps the math cleaner and reduces sign errors. See you in the next one. GetTheMyth.net for notes and practice problems.